I'm Miss Ellie, and today we're visiting a magical farm. This farm is full of friendly animals, and we'll get to learn their names and the names of their cute babies. Are you ready? Let's go! Wow! Look at all these friendly animals, and they even have adorable babies. Let's learn their names together!
Cow. This is a cow. The cow says moo. The cow gives us fresh milk. Calf. The cow's baby is called a calf. The calf stays close to its mother in the field. Sheep. Here's a sheep. The sheep says baa. Sheep have soft wool that keeps them warm. Lamb. The sheep's baby is called a lamb. The lamb likes to run and play in the grass. Goat. This is a goat. Goats love to climb. The goat eats grass and leaves. Kid. The goat's baby is called a kid. The kid has tiny horns and jumps around. Pig. Look at this pig. The pig loves to roll in the mud. The pig says oink oink and loves to eat. Piglet. The pig's baby is called a piglet. The piglet follows its mother everywhere. Horse. Here's a horse. The horse loves to gallop. The horse is strong and runs fast. Donkey. This is a donkey. The donkey says hee-ho. Donkeys carry heavy loads on the farm. Foal. A baby horse or a baby donkey is called a foal. The foal tries to stand up after it's born. Rooster. Look at the rooster. The rooster crows cock-a-doodle-doo. The rooster wakes up the farm every morning. Hen. This is a hen. She lays eggs every day. The hen takes care of her eggs in the nest. Chick. The rooster and hen's baby is called a chick. The chick chirps and follows its mother around. Duck. Here's a duck. The duck swims in the pond. The duck loves to quack and splash in the water. Duckling. The duck's baby is called a duckling. The duckling swims close to its mother. Goose. This is a goose. The goose has webbed feet. The goose honks loudly on the farm. Gosling. The goose's baby is called a gosling. The gosling is fluffy and follows the mother goose. Turkey. Look at the turkey. The turkey gobbles loudly. The turkey has big, colorful feathers. Turkey chick. The turkey's baby is called a turkey chick. The turkey chick stays in the nest with its mother. Children, repeat after me. Cow.
Cow.
Calf.
Calf.
Sheep.
Sheep.
Lamb.
Lamb.
Goat.
Goat.
Kid.
Kid.
Pig.
Pig.
Piglet.
Piglet.
Horse.
Horse.
Donkey.
Donkey.
Foal.
Foal.
Rooster.
Rooster.
Hen.
Hen.
Chick.
Chick.
Duck.
Duck.
Duckling.
Duckling.
Goose.
Goose.
Gosling.
Gosling.
Turkey.
Turkey.
Turkey chick.
Turkey chick.
Good job, everyone! Now that we've learned about these farm animals and their babies, let's see if you can remember their names. I'll give you some clues, and you guess which animal or baby it is. Which animal says moo? And its baby is called a calf. Is it a cow, sheep, or pig? That's right! It's a cow! Which animal's baby is called a duckling? Is it a rooster, duck, or goose? Yes, it's a duck! Which animal's baby is called a foal? Is it a horse, cow, or goat? You got it! It's a horse! Which animal's baby is called a piglet? Is it a goat, pig, or hen? Great job! It's a pig! Which animal has a baby called a lamb? Is it a duck, horse, or sheep? Yes, it's a sheep. Now it's your turn. Tell me, which farm animal is your favorite? Do you like cute piglets, fluffy lambs, or maybe ducklings? Well, my favorite is the lamb because it's so soft. Well, that's it for today's farm adventure. I hope you had fun learning about all these farm animals and their babies. Next time, we'll explore even more fun words together. See you next time, little friends. Goodbye.